Look at this machine. Tough on the outside, smart on the inside. Your working machine deserves a special kind of crew to keep it at peak performance. This is Thompson. You name it, he can fix it. Diagnostics, service, maintenance. He knows your machine inside out, and he's surgical in his precision. Let's talk tech. Turner here is why we call it smart farming. She can make your machine do incredible things. Meet Parker. The kid is smart. He speaks part numbers like they're his mother tongue. He can get his hands on anything, all genuine AGCO parts. If you want a real eye for detail, you want Clark. Numbers, finance, he's your guy. I've been part of a few crews in my time, but I've never known anyone put a deal together like him. And me? Well, it's my job to make sure your plan always comes together. Because together, we're the perfect fit.